Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's in this video I talk about really good job opportunities for the candidate who are searching for the job. So guys, today's job opportunity is Blue Jay Solution Up Campus hiring fresher, and this for BTech candidate, and the post is associate engineer and location is Hyderabad. So guys, in this video I take a tell about all the information, who is eligible, how can apply for the job, what is the salary details, all the information in one video, so watch it carefully. So guys, see the eligibility criteria. So first criteria is if you are from BTech student, then you can apply for the job. Second criteria is BTech from computer science and information science technology and MCA student can apply for the job. You have a from 2021 batch, so you can apply for. If other batches are not eligible, only 2021 batch is eligible. Minimum 70%, you have a minimum 70% and above throughout the academic in your education. Job type is 3-month internship and post assessment based on the performance convert to full time employment. Means the first 3-month internship, and based on your performance they hire you as a full time employment. There is no any kind of service bond. Strong analytical and problem solving skill, ability to take initiative and drive for result, good communication skills, should be self motivated, quick learner. These are all the eligibility criteria. You have some technical skill, that is Java and SQL language. So this is a technical skill. Essential skill, that is right to code and debugging program. This knowledge you have. Highly motivated and demonstrating a strong drive for result. Hardworking and logical, smart thinking. These are the skills you have. If you are eligible, then apply for that. There are some desired skill, physical requirement. You see and read all the information carefully. So location, see Hyderabad. Salary, you get salary 4.5 LPA, but here mention that during first 3 months you get 20 to 25,000, and after that you get 4.5 LPA package. So last date to apply, that is 23 June 2021. So guys, hurry up, and if you are eligible, then apply for the job. So there are some selection process of this drive, that is very main thing. So first thing is online test. If you clear that online test, then second process is a technical interview, and you clear that interview, then HR discussion. All are these are the process. So if you clear 3 round, then you are hire in that company. So guys, study hard. Some important guidelines that are online test date and time will be updated to the registered candidate. If you are registered to that job, then all the details are updated details they give you, so don't worry about that. After test, shortlisted candidate must be available for further online interview process. Means if you are shortlisted, then you are available for the interview process, all the process. So you definitely available. So I think candidates should be available for immediate joining. Means the joining is very immediate. So guys, watch the important guideline, also watch all the information and then apply for the job. So next thing is how to apply for the job. So it is very important thing, but before that guys, you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe my channel, because on the I makes the video on the job update daily requirement process. So this is very helpful channel who are searching for the job. So guys, do subscribe my channel. You also join with us on Telegram. On the Telegram channel, we there are the all the updates of daily our job update, all you get. So join our Telegram channel. All the links are in the description box. So how to apply for the job? So you find a link in the description box, then click on that link. So you directly go to the official website of the company. This is the official website of the company. So wait for 3 minutes, it can be loading. After that, you watch or carefully see the information about Blue Jay Solutions, job descriptions, all the information here. So read it. After that, scroll down and here register below. So email ID, full name, current location, college, all the fill the all information correctly, and then submit that form. So you successfully applied for the job. So guys, this is very big opportunity. Those candidates who are searching for the job, Guys, hope you get all the information about the job. If you have any questions or any kind of doubt, then drop a message in comment box. I definitely help you. Thank you very much.